Hello, my name is Mike Quebec, and this is the lovely Shan, and welcome to this instructional video. This is actually the second 50s style East Coast swing instructional video, and we are shouting over because we got a full house today in the gym. If you have not seen the first instructional video, that breaks down the double time East Coast swing step for the inside turn and the basic and open position. If you have not checked out the first instructional video for 50 style East Coast swing jitterbug, please do check out that video first. That breaks down the double time step, both for the basic and open position as well as the inside turn, and the link for that, it's totally free, it's also here on YouTube, it's totally free, is in the description below. So please refer to that video first before jumping into this one. Having said that though, we're just gonna really briefly review it here. So, once again, this is open position. Shan is pressing her palms into my fingers, and my fingers are pressing into Shan's palms. We maintain constant forward pressure. Unlike in smooth style Lindy Hop, where it can go either way, especially with a lot of backward pressure, this one, or tension, this one we use compression. So we are giving each other compression or forward pressure. Very important that when I'm pressing into Shan's palms, I avoid using my palms into her fingers. Okay? Right at waist level. And just to review again, I push, she pushes. It is a rock, step, touch, step, touch, step. Or rock, step, tap, step, tap, step, rock in place, tap, step, or two steps, tap, step, tap, step. Shan and I will turn around. You can see she steps back, rock, step, tap, step, rock, step, tap, step, rock, step, tap, step. Yep. And again, it is rock, step, tap, step, rock, step, tap, step, rock, step, tap, step. Right now you can see our hands, right? You can't see our heads right now, but that's okay because you need to be able to see what our hands are doing and our feet. So, for the outside turn, I am off to the right of Shan, more or less. We're exaggerating it, but more. We're going to push, pull on the rock, step. Here's what happens. We both touch and step forward. Touch and step forward. Now, we both touch again and step to the side and face each other. Touch, step. We are not going to be completely in a straight line. It's not strict like smooth Lindy Hop or West Coast swing. Rock, step, touch, step forward. I step to the outside of Shan's left leg. Touch and step. Good. Again, I am to the outside of Shan. Rock, step, touch, step, touch, step. Again, I am on the outside of Shan's left leg. On the outside of Shan's left leg. I rock, step, touch, step forward, touch, step side. Rock, step, touch, forward, touch, side. Good. On the outside of Shan's left leg, rock, step, touch, step forward, touch, step side. Rock, step, touch, step forward, touch, step side. Right here. Rock, step, touch, step forward, touch, step side. Again, I'm not completely in front of Shan. I'm off to my right, her left. Rock, step, touch, step forward, touch, step side. Good. And again, the inside turn is broken down in the very first East Coast swing instructional video. Once again, the link is in the description, but just to demonstrate it real quick. So after we do that outside turn, Shan's fingers are up, my fingers are down. With my knuckles, I'm going to press into Shan's palm. With her palm, she presses into my knuckles, and I lead her to my right side. See, my right side for the inside turn. Rock, step, touch, step, touch, step. There it is. We'll do it from here. Yeah, rock, step, touch, step, touch. I'm selling a free thing. That's not. I don't know if you noticed, but Shan and I, lovely habits. she keeps her elbows bent, which is correct. Thank you, Shan. Yeah, see, we don't do this. Now I'm going to ask you to do a bad habit. Let's extend the arms all the way out. Avoid this. This is bad. This is bad for the elbows. This is bad for the couples that are around you on a crowded dance floor. Might even be bad for you if the couples around you are prone to physical violence. Right? I know, right? So, I know. So you want to make sure that your elbows are bent the whole time. See, so if we're doing the basic, we're going to do the combination. Here it goes. Outside turn, inside turn, and then back to a basic. Where we start is where we end. Or where we end is where we start. More or less. There we go. Dutch step, rock step, Dutch step, Dutch step. Now, one more thing that you can do. I just noticed this, that I do this, and Shan lets me do this. Thank you, Shan. You know, this hand is what leads. But I do kind of guide a little bit on the outside turn here, and Shan keeps the hooked fingers, which is very good. It enables me to pull across this way as I lead that outside turn. See? So, rock, step, tassy. I kind of guide that way. Then I can do the inside turn. I'm going to use this to guide underneath my arm. Rock, step, tap, step, tap, step. So you can do that. You do that outside turn. And that is the basic outside-inside. So we more or less stay in a straight line, but it's not as strict. You know, it's not as strict like if we were doing a whip. Let's do a whip. You notice that if we were doing smooth Lindy Hop, we pretty much have to keep, well, more or less, keep things in a straight line, right? I'm not doing that. Okay, good. But when we're doing this double time East Coast swing, rock, step, tap, step, yeah, more or less, but it's not as strict. As long as we're aware of the people around us. Right now we're in an empty room, but if we weren't dancing, it probably would be crowded. Got to keep the elbows bent. You know, if we're off, now I'm not in a straight line. Now I might change it right here. Now we might be here. See, now we're not in a straight line. I did that on purpose just to show you that this dance style isn't nearly as exacting. Okay, so as long as you more or less stay in a small space right here, you're fine. So this is what we got. We've got the this is what we got. We've got our basic. We broke down the outside turn, and then we just quickly reviewed the inside turn, which again is in the other video. And thank you for tuning in. Please do the YouTube things. Subscribe, hit like, comment. Got a Patreon page for folks who want exclusive content as well. The Patreon link is there. And also the Facebook link. Okay? Thank you.